Now that's pretty cool, but let's add another little visual element that will animate along with the cat. We're going to do that using a shape layer. So let's go ahead and close the full color cat, our logo layer. Make sure to click off. So you can tell you've got a layer selected because of this color. But I want you to click off so that none of the layers are selected. That way we can create a shape layer. Now let's come up here to our toolbar and you'll see that we have these different shapes. I got this by clicking and holding on the rectangle tool. So let's go grab the ellipse tool. Let's click on the word fill and choose no fill. So let me slide this over here. So no fill. And then for our stroke, let's change the stroke color to black. So click and drag all the way down to the lower left-hand corner. And then let's scrub this number up. Actually, let's just click on it and type in 20. I think 20 will be a good size for our stroke. We're going to come here to the upper left-hand corner of the cat and click and drag down. If you don't get this perfect the first time, that's fine. Go ahead and let go. Then grab the arrow tool or the selection tool, and you can resize this by clicking and dragging on the corners and position it so it's over the top of the cat. Now you can see here, we've created a layer down here on our timeline. Let's go ahead and select it, hit enter on a PC or return on a Mac, and type in the name for your circle. So let's call it circle. What a wonderful name. Now we actually want to animate this. So let's go to a specific spot. How about zoink? How about at frame 20? So I went to frame 20, or you can come over here and click on the numbers and type in 20. And then we're going to add this animation right here. So we're going to click on this little add button. So you can see where it says content here in the circle layer. We're going to click on add, and we're going to do a trim path animation, which will make this look really cool. So let's twirl that trim path open, and you see how we have a start or an end. We could really do either one, but since we have our current time indicator at the spot we want to end it, we might as well go here and click on the stopwatch. That way we know it will end at 100% at this spot. Then let's go back to say 15, frame 15. Really doesn't matter. Actually, let's go to frame, 13. Lucky number 13. And we're just going to scrub this. And you can see as I scrub it, you can see the line is animating. And actually, instead of scrubbing it, it would be better to just click on that number and type in 0, because that's what we actually want. All right, so if you scrub through this now or play it, boom, nice. And you can play around with the timing. If this is too early, you can grab it and drag it later on in the timeline. So I'm grabbing both of these and boom. Or if you think that was the right time, you can slide these back and forth at any time. So it's really easy to change your animation. Just like we did with the last one, let's right click, keyframe, easy ease. You can tell you've eased your keyframes when they get these little hourglasses. And because everything looks better with motion blur, let's motion blur that layer. Now you don't have to enable it because it's already enabled, and you can tell because these stacks of kickballs are blue. All right, let's watch that now. So zoink. Oh man, Fast and Furious, looking good.